Welcome. Today, I'll show you the updated steps on how to follow a specific channel on a Discord server. Whether you're looking to stay up to date with announcements, community news, or just want to make sure you never miss a message from your favorite channel, this guide will have you set up in no time. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged in, then head over to the server where the channel you want to follow is located. You'll see the list of servers you're a part of on the left side. Just tap the server icon to enter. Once you're inside the server, look for the option labeled Browse Channels. This is usually found near the top of the channel list or within the server menu, depending on your device. Tap on Browse Channels to see a full list of all the channels available in that server. Now scroll through the list and find the channel you want to follow. Channels are often organized by categories, so take your time browsing until you spot the one you're interested in. If you're looking for a specific announcement or news channel, it might have a megaphone icon next to it, making it easier to identify. When you've found the channel you want, check the box next to its name. This action will automatically add the channel to your channel list, meaning you'll start seeing updates and messages from that channel on your main server view. If you ever change your mind, you can simply uncheck the box to stop following the channel. That's it. You're now following a specific channel on your Discord server. This is a great way to customize your Discord experience, ensuring you only see the channels and updates that matter most to you. If you want to follow more channels, just repeat these steps for each one. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Discord.